In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Nvidia control panel unable to change scaling mode. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you cannot change the scaling mode on the Nvidia control panel, either because the settings are grayed out or it doesn't allow you to access them, the quickest way to fix this, and the most common reason, is because image sharpening in the 3D settings is enabled by GPU scaling. So, to fix this, like I said, click on Manage 3D Settings on the top of the left-sided menu within 3D Settings. On the Manage 3D Settings page, select the Global Settings tab, and on the list of features, look for Image Sharpening. Click on the drop-down menu next to Image Sharpening, and then you can leave it on or off according to personal preference. You just need to turn off GPU scaling. So make sure GPU scaling is unticked and then click OK to apply the 3D settings. Once you untick GPU scaling from the image sharpening on the 3D settings, you can now go back to the scaling mode and you should be able to change it accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Nvidia control panel unable to change scaling mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.